Bye.
Alam mo, ang ganda mo pala pag tumawa ang iyong mata. Hinahabol ko ang bawat mong tingin, ngunit ito'y di mo napapansin. Wala akong maipagmamayabang, porma ko'y pasimple-simple lang. Sino ba ako? Walang dating sa'yo, di tayo bagay, sobrang mong ganda talaga. Di ko alam hanggang kailan tayo, di ko mabago ang ikot ng mundo, pero sama ka sa aking biyahe. Atin lamang ang araw na ito, ang buhay ay sinasakyan lang yan. Di ko alam ang tungo kung saan, pag sumama ka sa aking biyahe. Iaalay ko ang puso ko.
Sisi kasi! Ako na naman pinapatuloy kasi dalawa na naman nag-train tayo! Kung nagpapalitin ako na!
Sige, lahat kayo jowa ko. Sige. Padala. Nika asin. Look! Excuse me. Kahit ganito itsura ko, hindi ako maasin.
Wala lang. Wala lang. May magagawa ka? Wala.
Pagaling ako sa stage. Tapos,
Social.
joke lang.
Dalawa, tatlo, salamat.
Ang katiyakan ko, hindi na ako bibitaw. Langit ko na nagkala sa'yo. 넌 나를 보면 마치 넌 달콤한 It's not right to be hellish. I still get jealous. You're too sexy, beautiful.
lubog, may kaya lubog. Sa inyo, bugbog po kayo. Sobrang ay, badyo.
Yun na, sa mga naghihingi na ano, sa mga puro may kaya lubog. Well, maybe they're actually gonna travel next year.
Sir, hindi na kasi buong chance na lubog eh. Joke lang. Away from each other.
Ginagawa mo.
What's up? Ako si Doc Joanna!
Pag-ingat ako din.
Ay, Samsung vlogger. Joanna!
Hey guys, can you watch Beanie for me real quick? Thank you.
Bye.
Okay, hi. Let's leave.
Hi, hello.
Hi. Why did he leave this?
Can you turn it off?
My privacy feels invaded.
I see your face, and it's nothing like I've ever known before. Love is an open
Searching so long in this world, trying to find someone who could be what my picture of love was to me. Then you came. So easy, all the loving you gave me, the feelings we shared, and I still can remember how you touched me so tender. It told me you cared. We had a once in a lifetime, but I just couldn't see it until it was gone. Second once in a lifetime, maybe too much to ask, but I swear from now on, again. This time I'll love you much better. If ever you're in my arms again, this time I'll hold you forever. This time we'll never end.
Are you ready? Woo, let's cheer it up. Yay, go Mika.
Now I'm seeing clearly how I still need you near me. I still love you so. There's something between us that won't ever leave us. There's no letting go. We had a once in a lifetime, but I just didn't know it till my life fell apart. A second once in a lifetime isn't too much to ask, 'cause I swear from the heart, if ever you're in my arms again, this time better. If ever you're in my arms again, this time I'll hold you forever. This time will never end. Never end. The best of romances deserve second chances. I'll get to you somehow, 'cause I promise now, if ever you're in my arms again, this time I'll love you much better. If